Varun, yes. Please recapitulate for the whole class what we have studied till now.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, once there was a kingdom, ma'am, in there the king and the ministers were full, and they wanted to be different from other kingdoms, so they changed day into night and night into day. So everyone was said to be doing their work in the night and sleeping in the whole day. And once
Mm-hmm.
a guru and his disciple came in the village, and they saw that no one was there in the whole dry day. Then not a single rat was muttering here and there, and even cattle were also taught to sleep at a day, and they roamed the whole city the whole day. And when the night started, everybody was tilling their field and taking up their businesses, and everybody waked at night. So they think that this was the kingdom of food. And when they went in the shops to get some food, they saw that everything was like a bunch of banana or a measure of rice was available in only a single duddu. So the his disciple was very means, happy to see that, because he was available. He wanted food to eat, and he was very that I mean then he he told that he will not go out of from this city, and he wanted to live in this city. Then at the next day, one thief went out into a rich merchant's house by breaking a wall of his house, and when he was carrying his loot out, the old wall fell on him. And then the brother of the uh, thief went to the court and said that, King, my Majesty, my brother was killed when he was doing his ancient work. So the king called the rich merchant and said that, did you were you there when this thief was being murdered? Then he told that, yes, I was there, and he pleaded guilty. But after 1 minute, he said that it was not my fault. The mason built that wall very badly. So the king called the mason, and then mason also had a reply that, I was making the wall, but I didn't have mind on the wall. When I was building the wall, one dancer was roaming here and up and down on the street. So the dancer girl was also bought in the court. Then she told that I was going up and down of the street because one goldsmith called me, and he has many excuses that I will give it then and then. Then the goldsmith was also called, and he told that, sir, Your Majesty, I didn't have time to do his work because there was a marriage in rich merchant's house, so I have to make his jewelry first. So the whole thing went to circle and got in up to the rich merchant. So he was caught up to death, and everybody said that tomorrow he will be executed. But when the stake was built for him, it was very fat for the merchant was very thin to fit in the stake. So the king ordered his men that, bring a fat man from the whole village who can be fitted in behalf of this merchant. So they caught up the disciple of Guru. He was like a sacred sheep-side sacred bull after eating many bananas, measure, and everything. So they take him to the king, and when the disciple was crying in his mind and told his guru that I have not listened you, sorry, please save me from this. The guru has magic powers, so he listened him and came to the execution place, and first scolded the disciple and make a plan in his ears. So then they both were trying to the king would first execute me and first execute me. So there was a fight in both of them who will be executed first. The king thought that there is a problem in them. So the king told the guru that you must tell me what is Guru told him that put me to death. Then the king gave a promise. Then the guru said that this is a god of this stake is god of justice, and whoever it had no criminal on it. So who will be first executed on it will be the king of this kingdom, and who will execute it second will be the minister. So the king was made in a thought and said that the execution will be postponed at one day. So in the night, the king and his minister were thought in a very
No, Varun,
they
I
were
don't
thinking
think
very
we.
hard, and they told the executive,
Wait, Varun, I don't think we have studied till here.
ma'am.
तुम सारी स्टोरी बता रहे हो. I think we have only studied till this paragraph where I'm pointing out my cursor. Somebody else tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we restricted when they were given to the crows and
I think we will be, we have studied only till here, this paragraph where I'm pointing out my cursor. Anyways, Varun, very well said. Yes?
When we have studied that the queen told the king that whoever die, he will be the next ruler of this
Yes,
country.
there's this paragraph. I know. Till here only we have studied. Okay, very good, Varun. You have recapitulated it well. And बेटा एक प्रॉब्लम जो मुझे बार बार नजर आ रही है, what do we call this? Do we call it a village? Do we call it a city? So I thought
No
about it.
country.
No, listen to me. I thought about it, and the word used in the book is kingdom, right? So we will be using the word kingdom only. So जैसे हम कई बार बोलते हैं ना, the disciple didn't want to leave the, so we'll use the word kingdom. We won't use the word city or village or country, whatever. So क्योंकि book में kingdom word है, so we'll be using the word kingdom. Is it clear to everyone? Type in the chat box.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, अभी
okay,
तक,
ma'am.
right? अभी तक किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो बताओ. It's free. You're free to ask me. No problems. Right. So who will read now? अपने आप वॉलंटियर करो. वरुण तुमने आंसर कर दिया. नाउ यू विल नॉट रीड. समबडी एल्स. मनंत. यस मनंत. मनंत के बाद ध्रुव पढ़ेगा. मनंत. अच्छा बेटा उससे पहले ना आई जस्ट एक्सप्लेन दिस पैराग्राफ अगेन. So what reason did the guru give for dying in the place of his disciple? So he said that we have been all over the world, we have traveled all over the world, but we have never found a city like this or a king like this. You are such a great king. So what is the guru doing? He is basically buttering up the guru, and he says that this stake, because it is a new stake, it is the stake of god of justice, because there has never been any criminal on it. So whoever dies on it first will be reborn as the king of this kingdom, and whoever dies next will be the future minister of this country. So they are talking about their next births, not this birth. And the guru and the shishya, the disciple, they say that we are sick of our ascetic life. Ascetic is when we जिसको बोलते हैं कि सन्यासी की लाइफ. सो व्हेन यू डोंट हैव मेनी मीन्स, तो ही सेज हम बड़े तंग हो गए ऐसे गरीबों की तरह जी के ना. वी आर रोमिंग अबाउट हियर एंड देयर, वी डोंट गेट एनीथिंग टू ईट, वी आर डिपेंडेंट ऑन एनी पीपल, on other people for our food. And he says it would be so nice to enjoy ourselves as king and minister for a while na. So the guru says it will be so nice for us that next birth we will be born as king as and minister, and we'll enjoy ourselves. We'll have all the money in the world. We'll have riches. Now keep your word, my lord, and put us to death. Me first, remember. And so the guru says to the king, now I have told you the secret. Now you please keep your promise and you put me to death first. यहां तक सबको समझ में आ गया? प्लीज टाइप इन द चैट बॉक्स. Please type in the chat box. Okay. Now, children, if you see this paragraph, it has got many focus words. Ascetic हो गया, stake of the god of justice हो गया, who will be, they will be the future minister and the king of the country. So ये paragraph, it's very important that ways. All right. Now, who was reading? Was it Manant who was reading? मनन की
Yes,
मनन?
ma'am.
हाँ
Ma'am,
पढ़ो,
Manan.
मनन पढ़ो.
The king was now thrown into deep thought. He didn't want to lose the kingdom to someone else in the next round of life. He needed time, so he ordered the execution postponed to the next day and talked in secret with his minister. It's not right for us to our to give over the kingdom to others in the next life. Let's go on the stake ourselves and we will be reborn as king and minister again. Holy men do not tell lies, he said, and the minister agreed. So he told the executioners, we will send the criminals tonight. When the first man comes, put him to death first, then do the same to the second man. Those are my orders. Don't make any mistake. That night, the king and his minister went secretly to the prison, released the guru and disciple, disguised themselves as the two, and as arranged beforehand with loyal servants, were taken to the stake and promptly executed.
Okay, very good, Manan. Thank you. So now you see, when the king hears that if I get executed on this stake, then I already have been the king of this kingdom in this birth. इस जन्म में तो मैं already king बन चुका हूँ. Why not secure my future for the next birth also? And he says that he went into deep thought. Deep thought मतलब वो बहुत ज़्यादा सोचने लग गया. And he didn't want to lose the kingdom to someone else. Now he didn't want somebody else to become the king of the kingdom in the next round of life. मतलब अगले जन्म में वो नहीं चाहता था कि कोई और उसके kingdom का राजा बने. He needed time, so he ordered the execution to be postponed. So he needed time to think. तो उसने execution को postpone कर दिया. I hope you all know what's the meaning of postpone. Say, children.
Yes, ma'am. The time,
Yeah.
ma'am,
So
the time,
to
ma'am,
put
the
it.
time to be next.
Men delayed.
Yes, very good. To delay it, to put it for some other day. So he postponed it to the next day, and then he started talking to his minister in secret. वो चुपके से अपने minister से बात करने लग गया और वो क्या बोलता है? It's not right for us to give over the kingdom to others in the next life. कि अगले जन्म में भी हम दूसरों को अपना kingdom क्यों दें? मैं ही राजा बनता हूँ, तुम मिनिस्टर बन जाना. Let's go on the stake ourselves and we'll be reborn as king and minister again. So he says, इनकी जगह पे हम ही stake के ऊपर चले जाते हैं, so that next birth I become the king and you become the minister again. Holy men do not tell lies, and he says ये जो गुरु है, he is a holy man, so he is not going to lie. And the minister also agreed to whatever the king said. So he told the executioners, we will send the criminals tonight. When the first man comes to you, put him to death first. Then do the same to the second man. Those are my orders. Don't make any mistake. तो किंग ने एग्जीक्यूशनर को क्या बोला कि हम इन क्रिमिनल्स को आज भेज देंगे. कल तुम्हारे पास जो पहला इंसान आएगा, तुम पहले उसको डेथ उसको मारोगे और उसके बाद सेकंड मैन को मारोगे, और यही मेरे ऑर्डर्स हैं, और अब कोई मिस्टेक मत करना. That night, the king and his minister went secretly to the prison, released the guru and the disciple, disguised themselves as the two, and arranged beforehand with loyal servants, were taken to the stake and promptly executed. तो किंग और उसके मिनिस्टर क्या करते हैं? वो सीक्रेटली प्रिजन में चले जाते हैं और गुरु और डिसाइपल को छोड़ देते हैं. डिस्गाइज मतलब छुपा लेना, छुप जाना. इन दिस केस रूप बदल लेना. तो वो अपने डिस्गाइज जो है, अपने कपड़े हैं, वो डिसाइपल और गुरु जैसे बना लेते हैं. और जैसा उन्होंने पहले से ही लॉयल सर्वेंट्स के साथ, यहाँ पे बोल रहे हैं ना एग्जीक्यूशनर्स को, जैसा उन्होंने पहले ही सर्वेंट्स के साथ अरेंज किया हुआ था, they were taken to the stake and they were promptly executed. Promptly means jaldi se. So children, have you understood till here? Understood till
Yes,
here?
ma'am.
और
ma'am.
उसके बाद मैंने किसको बोला था? ध्रुव विल रीड. Just a second. Yeah.
Ma'am, can I?
Dhruv, it was Dhruv's chance, no? Is it Dhruv?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please read. और तुम आंसर क्यों नहीं दे रहे थे?
Ma'am, my mic was not working
Oh,
that.
and suddenly it started working. Come on, read now.
Yes, ma'am. When the bodies were taken down to be thrown to the crows and vultures, the people panicked. They saw before them the dead bodies of the king and the minister. The city was in confusion. All night they murmured and discussed the future of the kingdom. Some people suddenly thought of the guru and the disciples and caught up with them as they were preparing to leave town unnoticed. Uh, we people need a king and a minister, said someone. Other agreed. They begged the guru and the disciple to be their king and minister. It didn't take many arguments to pursue, persuade the disciple, but it took longer to persuade the guru. They finally agreed to rule the kingdom of the foolish king and the silly minister.
Sorry, Chal. I think I just pressed something that I was not supposed to press. Give me a second.
Yes, ma'am.
I think something wrong with the touch screen of my laptop now. Okay, wait a minute. Okay. Yeah, please read.
Finally, the full and on the condition that they could change all the old laws. From then on, night would again be night, and day would again be day, and you could get nothing for a do. It became like any other place.
Okay, good. So now what has happened? We know that the guru has very cleverly, he has made the king and the minister to be executed. And when they were executed, their bodies were thrown to the crows and vultures. But when people saw it, they panicked because obviously, when your king dies, your minister dies, who's going to rule you? Right? So the people, they started panicking. Now the city was in confusion. So they mourned and they discussed the future of the kingdom. And some people, they thought of the guru and the disciple, and they caught up with them. Caught up with them मतलब जब वो जा रहे थे तो उनके पास चले गए, उनको पकड़ लिया. Not in the literal sense पकड़ लिया, उनके पास गए as they were preparing to leave the town unnoticed. And लोग बोलते हैं that we need a king and a minister. And others also agreed. And they begged the guru and the disciple to be their king and the minister. Now it didn't take many arguments to persuade the disciple. Persuade मतलब किसी को मनाना. तो disciple तो एकदम से मान गया कि हाँ मैं तुम्हारा minister बन जाऊंगा. But गुरु इतनी जल्दी नहीं माने. Ultimately वो मान गए, but on the condition that they had to change the old law. So what was the old law? That night would be day and day would be night. But now they have changed back the old law. So night is night and day is day, and you can't get anything for a do. So it became like a normal place, right? समझ में आ गया, children? Understood? Please type in the chat box.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Only one response I have got. Right. Ab, let me see what I have posted for you people. I think it is yesterday's only. Okay, this is okay. So, right. So today I'll be posting more questions, and tomorrow we'll be doing the question answers and the value based questions also. So let me go back to your book and let's discuss the question answers. Why can't it show me from the place where I left? Anyways.
Ma'am, can I answer for first question?
Wait, beta, I have not even read it in the Kingdom of Fools. Let me just flash it for you people. Okay, so here, what are the two strange things that the Guru and his disciple find in the Kingdom of Fools? It's very easy. Everybody type in the chat box. What are the two peculiar things? It's very easy. Come on. We've been revising it over and over again. Two peculiar things that the Guru and his disciple found in the Kingdom of Fools.
Ma'am, can I tell?
No, Dhruv. Please type no. Otherwise, दो चीजें टाइप करनी है राहुल. Gariman, what is the
Ma'am,
spelling
I
of
am right.
do
Ma'am, I am
do?
right.
Yes, I can see. Yeah, correct. So all the responses that I've got till now, they are correct. So in the Kingdom of Fools, the day had been converted into night and the night had been changed to day. But children, you have to explain. What do I mean when I say night into day and day into night? ऐसा तो नहीं हो सकता ना कि दिन की जगह रात होने लग जाए और रात की जगह दिन होने लग जाए. When I say day was changed into night, ये meaning ऐसा आता है. So rather than that, what we have to write is that the people of this kingdom, they used to do all the activities that they have to do in the day at night and all the activities that they had to do at night in the daytime. ये आपको clarify करना पड़ेगा, right? So yes, इसका दूसरा तरीका, as Rahul is writing, is correct. They used to work at night and sleep in the daytime. And the second, everyone got it correct, that everything was available for one to do. Why does the disciple decide to stay in the kingdoms of fool? Is it a good idea? Who will answer?
Ma'am, can I?
कौन बोल रहा है? नाम बताओ.
Ma'am, Rahul.
हाँ राहुल बोलो.
Ma'am, the disciple decided to stay in the kingdom of fool because he got ghee, bananas, fruits, and all the eaten groceries in one to do. Then he was like the food at most.
Yes, so you have to say that the disciple was very fond of food, or the disciple liked to eat. Now, who will answer? Was it a good idea?
No, ma'am.
Okay, राहुल अब कोई और आंसर करेगा. ध्रुव, फूडी की स्पेलिंग FOO होती है. अब कौन आंसर? मनन, सॉरी, उदय will answer. Uday, tell me, is it a good idea? Was it a good idea for the disciple to stay back in the kingdom of fool?
No, ma'am.
Why? थोड़ा सा difficult है, but I'm sure you will be able to do.
Ma'am, everything was.
Yes, everything was available for a to-do.
Ma'am, everything was available for to do.
Okay. Was it a good idea? The disciples stayed back, but was it a good idea in the future? What did he find out? That was it a good idea to stay, or was it a bad idea to stay?
Ma'am, this is not a good idea, ma'am.
It was not a good idea, but Uday, you have to tell the reason also. Okay, very good, Uday. Anybody else who wants to try?
Ma'am, can I?
Rahul,
Can I?
रहने दो. Somebody else? Manant, children ही 14 है. I don't know why such less attendance ना. Piyush, would you like to try? Piyush, answer करोगे? Why is it a good idea? Why was it not a good idea? Sorry. No response. Okay. Dekho, children.
Ma'am, can I?
Who is it?
Ma'am, Manant.
Okay, Manant, bolo.
Ma'am, it was not a good idea to stay there for a long time, ma'am, because anyone who stays there is in danger because, ma'am, fools can do anything.
वेरी गुड मनन. देखो बच्चों, आप या तो इसका आंसर अपने वर्ड्स में लिख सकते हो, अदरवाइज आई हैड टोल्ड यू अ फोकस लाइन ना, यू नेवर नो व्हाट दे विल डू टू यू, तो उसको भी यूज करके लिख सकते हैं. सो यू कैन राइट दैट इट वाज नॉट द disciple found out that it was not a good idea because later he fell into trouble because of his staying back in the kingdom. एक तो आप ये लिख सकते हो. और it was not a good idea because the kingdom was made up of fools and the disciple did not know what they would do to him. ये दोनों चीजें करेक्ट है. Right? Understood, children? Now, who will answer the third question? ये तो बहुत easy है. Name all the people who are tried in the king's court and give the reason for their trial. So initially it is the merchant, then it is the bricklayer, then it is the dancing girl, then it is the goldsmith, then again it is the merchant. And the reasons भी दे सकते हो. Can you do it? Tell me. Right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Manant has written unpredictable behavior of fools. Very good point, Manant. Fools are unpredictable. So you can't predict how they will behave. Yeah, right. So this question is again you can do. Who is the real culprit according to the king? Why does he escape punishment? अब सबको ये again बहुत easy है. According to the king, the real culprit was the merchant's son. Why does he escape punishment? Because he was too thin to be executed on the stake. What are the guru's word of wisdom? When does the disciple remember them? ये भी लिख लोगे? The guru's words of wisdom were that you should not stay in the kingdom of fools because you never know what they would do to you. And when does the disciple remember them? When he was being taken to be executed on the stake because he was very fat. Now, how does the guru manage to save his disciple's life? ये जो है बेटा, इसमें आपको पूरी स्टोरी लिखनी पड़ेगी. नाउ हु विल आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन? हाउ डज द गुरु सेव द डिसाइपल्स लाइफ? 5 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन है. हु विल आंसर? हु हैजंट आंसर्ड इवन वंस टुडे? वरुण, राहुल, तुम सब ने आंसर कर लिया.
Ma'am, may I?
मनंत ने भी आंसर कर दिया. Somebody who has not answered even once today. Come on, children. Gariman. गरिमन, आर्यन, गर्व का मुझे पता है माइक डजंट वर्क. गर्व तुम खरीद नहीं सकते हो माइक एक. रोहित, चलो रोहित. Can you answer this question? How does the guru manage to save his disciples' life? जल्दी करो, the class is about to end.
Yes, ma'am. When the guru and disciple entered the kingdom of fools, the guru awared his disciple that it is a kingdom of fool and you should not live here. But the disciple managed to live there as everything was available in only one dudu. And there, one day there a wall just fell off on a thief who was, and when the thief's brother went to court that someone has murdered his brother, the king investigated and find that the owner of that brick was a rich merchant's son. And when the rich merchant's son was called to the court, he said that the mason has made the wall weak. And when mason was asked, then he just gave the reason that a dancing girl always moved here and there on this street, so she she took her attendance at the and the wall was made weak. When the girl was asked that why were you moving here and there all the day, then the girl answered that the goldsmith is always giving me date after date that for the jewelry which she has given her to maid. And when the goldsmith was asked for it, the goldsmith said that the rich merchant was having a wedding in his house, so he has said him that as early he could, he should give him the jewelry. So again, the whole case was turned round, and rich merchant's son was ordered to execute. But as he was very thin and he was not able to fit in the stake, the disciple was ordered to execute as he was the only man who can fit in the stake. When he asked his guru to save him, as his guru was having Divya Drishti and he knew what his
Did you say Divya Drishti?
yes ma'am, we call this
Magic
but-
power. And magic
Yeah,
power.
you didn't call it in English Divya Drishti. Rohit, क्या कर रहे हो? Please just say that he had a vision. Book में साफ साफ लिखा है the word vision being used. Why are you not using that? Divya Drishti
Yes,
क्या?
ma'am.
When you write it in the exam, the examiner is going to die laughing. मैं तुम्हारा पेपर होती तो हंस रही होती बहुत. Yeah, try not to
Sorry,
use. हाँ, book में देखो, book में do word is used. I will not cut marks if you use that word. Other all Divya Drishti and all, I'm going to cut your marks. All right. ठीक है रोहित. अब I'm sorry, I have another class. So children, question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ये आपको कॉपी में करने हैं. Right? Tomorrow I'll see today if I find some value based question based on this chapter, then I'll send it as a PowerPoint presentation and I'll write in the stream what we are going to do from tomorrow.
Ma'am,
Yes?
ma'am, the Ishwaran, the storyteller is not come in the exam. It was deleted now.
हाँ बेटा, it's deleted from the syllabus. हाँ मनन, तुम सही लिख रहे हो. Right? We'll continue tomorrow because अभी the time has ended. I have another class also. Thank you children. You can start doing. हाँ बेटा.
When can we leave?
Yes, please leave the class. Thank you.